Follow these steps to fix Instagram Live option not showing. First, launch your Instagram app, navigate to your profile page, click on three bars given at the top right, scroll down and head over to the option account status. This page is where Instagram tells you if your account has restrictions that can affect features like live. If you see warnings, violations, or anything that says some features are limited, that's your first reason the live option might be missing, and you'll need to resolve those restrictions before live comes back. Next, update Instagram. Launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Instagram. After app appears, if you find the option update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can launch the app. Click on the plus option and you might see the option of live. If you still didn't get the option of live, Instagram may block you from going live if you don't meet the current requirements. As of changes reported starting in August 2025, Instagram began requiring a public account with at least 1,000 followers to start a live broadcast. So if you're under that number, the live option may not show at all, or you may get an eligibility message. There is also an age-related restriction that can affect live access. To check that, go to Settings. Make sure you have professional account. Now go to Creator Tools and type. Here, click on Minimum Age. Now make sure you are above 16. You can just update your age. And that's it. With this solution, you'll be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.